This is discussion about ROP. The other point ROP is the inventory level that trigger the need to place a new order to avoid stock outs. It's calculated by considering the average daily demand, lead time plus safety stock. Sample scenario is Emma runs a small bookstore and sell an average 20 books per day. So Emma needs 20 books para ma-sell per day, and then her supplier takes 7 days to deliver a new order and keep it as a safety stock of 50 books. This is a formula of ROP. Average daily demand 20 books, lead time 7 days, safety stock 50 books, and this is our order point. 20 times 7 and plus 50 equals 190 books. So this is an answer of ROP. And this is a case Emma showed the order when her stock falls to 190 books, and to ensure popular titles are always available. And this is next topic about EOQ. Economic order, or EOQ, is the optimal order size to minimize total inventory cost, including ordering and holding costs. And this is a scenario. Sarah manages a bakery and needs to determine the optimal quality and quantity of flour to order. So this is annual demand, 5,000 mugs. Order cost $10 per order, and holding cost is $2 per bag per year. EOQ formula, EOQ square root 2DS, and this is our calculation about EOQ. EOQ square root 2 times 5,000 times 10, and divide and square root of 50,000, and this is our result of EOQ. Result: Sarah showed the order of approximately 224 bags of flour each time to minimize her total inventory cost. This is a quantity balance the cost of placing order and holding inventory. That's all.